What is that? India moves on Exide, right? Symmetry, right? So maybe you have this thing in mind that Exide, how come it is in your life insurance business? From when? Formerly it was ING Russia, you might have heard? ING Bank? Yeah? Okay. So ING Life Insurance has been taken over by Exide Industries. And just talk about fact sheet about Exide Life. Why insurance is important, right? So can you just, you know, this person, just go back. Dhoni, yeah. So Dhoni is a brand ambassador. Yeah. Okay. So as I told that, you know, Exide moves on. India moves on Exide. Sorry. Okay. So at Exide Industries, our shareholders, Exide India, largest manufacturer of electric storage batteries, biggest power storage solution provider with a market capitalization of 19,000 crores. Right? What a strong company. Exide is in India for more than 113 years exactly. Right? Then, go ahead. As an Exide Life Insurance, we serve over 15 lakhs policy holders, 15 lakhs corporate employees. Corporate employees is group insurance. Okay, we serve strong network of 40,000 plus Exide Life Insurance advisors. Okay, then. If you talk about 6 successful year profit, we are 6 years in a row, we are in profit. Last 6 years. 12,000 crores AUM, asset under management. We are managing 12,000 crores. This is just little old data. It is now 13,000 crores. Okay. Strong traditional portfolio and consistent bonus trade because we are consistently giving 7.5 to 8% return, consistent since inception, right? Okay. Next, paid up capital of 1,750 crores. Total premium income 2,532 crores. Healthy solvency margin. Solvency margin. Let me just tell you. Because as per IRDA guideline, we sell a policy, single policy, we have to keep a solvency margin, we have to pay to IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. That is like a security deposit. So IRDA says 150% is the you have to give. We have kept 206%. We invest 52% of our assets in government securities. So you can imagine that your money is safe because 52% maximum investment goes to government securities, right? लंबा सा भरोसे की बात. Okay. See our existence. We distribute products through multi-channels, tied agency, corporate agents, bank insurance, direct channels. We are there everywhere in India. You can see. Now, basically, I will take 5 minutes in this slide because, see, you can see left side. There is 3 things: protection, saving, and investment, and pension, retirement. So, in any individual's lifespan, what are the 3 things important? Can you just tell me? Protection, children's education, protection of my income, which I am earning month on month, and for my family. I am a breadwinner. Okay, so I give 50,000 to my family, wife to run the show. Tomorrow, something goes wrong. God forbid. If I don't go back, 50,000 should come to my house. You agree? 50,000. So to get 50,000 month on month, lakhs a year, monthly 50,000. Can anybody guess? Once a year. 1 crore will give you 6 lakhs a year, 50,000 month on month. So have I replaced my income? I am not there. Have I replaced? Yeah. So see, anything happens to anybody, there are 2 laws. One is financial, one is emotional. The emotional loss, time is the medicine. Yeah, people will forget. But financial loss is a permanent loss, right? So, have I protected by taking 1 crore term insurance, which till my 75 years it will be there. After that, my company will give you entire premium back. How does it sound? Your life is protected for 1 year. 1 year will give you 50,000 month on month in my absence. Okay? So this is not protection, this is the base of our human life, right? Then my daughter is just 6 years old. I have planned for her future. She will go for medical, engineering. What will be the cost today? Guess. I want participation. Sorry? Throw niche chodi. Chalo, meritorious student or whatever. 10 to 15 lakhs? Yeah. Now she is 6 years old exactly. She is my daughter. Okay. So when do I need money for her higher education? 12, 13 years. By the time she will be 18, right? So do you think this 15 lakhs, what you correctly said, sir, 15 lakhs will remain same for another down the line 12 years, 13 years? How much it will be? Sorry? Another extra. No, I did it. See, today's cost is 15 lakhs instead. So, another 12 years or 13 years down the line, how much it will be? How much do I need? Exactly, rightly said. So, have you planned? This is what? Exactly. So this is what the second thing. Now, retirement, my favorite chapter. I'm a private employee. Yeah. Maximum people are private employee. Do you have pension? We are not blessed, right? We are not blessed. So, my father and mother, they need 30 to 35,000 every month. He is 85. So, now I am 40. My father needs 30,000 month on month. Down the line, 20 years, I will become 60. Company will throw me out, right? So how much do I need then? Never? In classical. The right land? These are the 3 things in our life, very important. If you are not planned, please plan it. Because there are 2 things. Living too long is very risky. 80 years, 75 years. I need more money for my medical costs, right? Medical expenses will go high. Living too short, I will not be able to give the proper education to her. So living too long, living too short, both are dangerous. Right? So this is what actually a human life should need. These 3 things should be planned. Because last, I tell you one thing, there are 2 things in life. What is certain? What is certain things? Please participate. What is certain? What are certain things, sir? No, sir. Just think, just like that. My daughter's education is certain. I cannot say I can't give you education. Right? My pension. Can I tell my wife? See, up to 60 I am there. After that you take care of yourself. I have to have my 1 lakh in hand. After 20 years I am 40 now. So these are the certain things. So certain things has to be planned. You have to plan. Uncertainty, whichever way, protection. Uncertainty has to be protected. You have to protect your life and you have to plan for your protection, retirement and children's education. Yeah. So that's all about from my side. And if anything, any point you need some requirement, you have any requirement regarding these three things, please contact Madam, because she is our and Mr. Jha, Mr. and Mrs. Jha, they are corporate partner in Exide Life Insurance. Yeah, so they are there to help you. And last but not least, I will ask just that one video, 5 minutes video, I would like to just show you. So 1 minute, I just skip that. Claim settlement ratio, what do you understand by claim settlement ratio? We have settled 96.80%. We have settled claims. Insurance, for what insurance people take? It could be death claim, it could be maturity, it could be anything. We have covered 96.8 in top 5 companies, like LIC and Exide Life Insurance, there are companies. So we are there. And 26,339 have already number of cases is settled in India. Can you just play the video?
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इनका। आई के हमारे स्पॉन्सर चला रहे हैं और एक बार धन्यवाद ईडू वर्ल्ड गाइड के प्रजेश भैया गुड़िया भाभी के से हो जे प्रजेश भैया के लेकर जोरदार तालियां बजाएं और एक्साइड लाइफ इंश्योरेंस के से एक जोरदार तालियां बजाएं। प्रजेश भैया मिथिलावासी है बेंगलोर के लिए तन मन धन से हमेशा ठाक रहे हैं। उनका विशेष हम आगे करके जोरदार तालियां बजाएं प्रजेश भैया।